See guys, this is nuts. This is not okay. It's literally gonna cost more money to get this thing up and running than you just go buy it used. This is ridiculous. What's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and I'm here at Copart once again to look for the next rebuild project. The Nautique is pretty much done, and now it's time to look for something else. There's quite a bit less boats around here, but there's still a couple that caught my eye, especially this Nautique that's playing tomorrow at the auction. So let's go see what I can find. Shoot, maybe I should just pick up a jet ski. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Got something going on there, here, everywhere. Look at this thing, took some heavy damage. Whew. Yowza. Got a Nautique here. Doesn't look too bad, but that fiberglass work, I'm trying to stay away from that for now. What is growing in there? I can't really see. Can you see? I'm using this new gimbal and this new mic. Hopefully it works out pretty good for you guys. Here is a G25. This one's not listed yet. However, I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It's the 25 footer. This is Nautique's largest boat, and it's sexy. I can't say nothing else. This is just wow. The glass is destroyed, bimini top is destroyed as well, but the tower looks to be intact, so that's a good thing. Got some damage across the hull, also here on the bottom. Yeah, this thing is really pretty. Wow. Maybe one day, guys. Maybe one day. I don't want to climb into it because I don't know if this is up for auction or if it already has been sold, so I don't want to be called a moron. So we'll keep on walking and looking for other projects that are available here at Copart. Or maybe I should just do another car, who knows. This gimbal is really tricky to use. You got to literally navigate it with your thumb. Okay, we'll keep on walking. I know I saw a Supra here as well. We'll head to the Nautique towards the end and see if it's worth the buy. Here's a Malibu wake setter. Looks pretty decent. Again, same issue, tower into the glass. And if you guys don't know what happened when the flood came, it rose all these boats up and they kept smashing into the docks. And with the docks being made out of steel and these made out of fiberglass, well, that's exactly what you see happened. Let this forklift driver go by. It's an old school Galaxy. Sea Ray. I know some of y'all like Sea Rays. We'll check this thing out. It's pretty big. A Mastercraft. I love these front ends right here. The nose, the bow. I think these are pretty cool. The X series. I don't see any damage to this one, other than just probably flood. They need to really sell these quickly because they're just rotting away here. Rotting away. More school buses. Here's another Nautique. Air. Damage up top again. No, not really. Probably same issue, flood. Yeah, getting these boats that have been standing here for such a long time is a bit risky. I should just pick up another jet ski. That one was pretty fun. It was a quick flip. Might be just as lucky. Hey, look, there's a pontoon. Some of you guys wanted to see these. I mean, it's not too shabby to kick it in. Just have a day out on the lake. It's not bad at all. See? Be cruising like a boss. Here's a GTX, another Sea-Doo. I don't think I'll do another Sea-Doo. I think I'll do like a Yamaha. Let me see if this thing, there we go. Nice and flooded. Look at the speedometer. Ooh yeah. Look at what we got here. We got a pink Malibu. This thing's been here for a hot minute. Still worth a gander. Let's see what it's all about. Oh, it's so hot. It's a snazzy color. Anybody want to pick up a pink boat? They got it. Damage to the tower again, damage to the glass, same MO. Speakers pulled out. Somebody's been through it already. So this is on the maybe list. Yeah, it's for a V-drive, but it's small. Definitely on the smaller side. All these trailers are pretty small. Nothing that's gonna fit my boat. What is this? They got some construction trailer. Not bad. And remember this boat here from, I think, a year ago I made this video, but this boat has been here for about 2 years since that point, so about 3 years. This Moomba has been here. Oh my goodness. And it says it's flooded, so you know what that means. If it's flooded, for real flooded, an engine might be toast. I think it's spent too much time in water and that canvas is already destroyed. I don't know if I'm gonna bid on this one. Got some more jet skis. This one looks like fun. What is this, a Kawasaki? Yeah, look at that. Supercharged, intercooled. That'd be something interesting to look into. Got another one here, a Honda. Another Sea-Doo. They still got plenty of jet skis left. Oh look at this stand up right here, this Kawasaki. This is something I'd be interested in for sure. Oh yeah. SXR 800. Yeah, something like this. I'm game. I'm gonna have to get back to the shop and check this thing out. See if it's still available. For sure. All right, now for the boat that we've been looking for. Let's go find it. Please don't die on me, phone. This thing's overheated on me twice already, so. Malibu, not bad, but got damage. Not too fun. This is not too fun. I could tell you firsthand. All right, what else we got going on? I see it. We're coming. Oh, she's standing on stilts. I hate these stilts. They're so scary to get into. The whole boat shakes. I don't think I'm gonna. Just check for outside damage. See if it's gonna be worth the buy. That looks good on this side. Yeah, look at that. See a little nick here. Not too bad. Let's see how scary these stilts all on. Maybe I'll jump in and show the engine. Yeah, that's not happening. The whole boat's moving. No, thank you. Okay. Similar swim platform, but does not have the NSS, and that's what's the big difference. The big difference between the 11s, 12s, and 13s compared to the 14s is that surf system. On this side it looks pretty decent too. We've got some nicks here and here. Those are easily repairable. Let's see what it looks like inside. Hopefully y'all can see something that I can't. The tower looks okay. No, there is definitely some damage right there on the starboard side. I mean, if it's clean, I might consider. I guess I have to look at the footage. But yeah, that was the Copart walk around. This is the boat I'm thinking about picking up for the next rebuild. All right, here we have a pontoon. Our boat is next. $16,000 for that pontoon. Estimated value of 57. I don't know how I feel about that one. All right, 15,000. That's already over my mark. And there goes Florida going ham. Yeah, this is definitely going over my budget. Ohio, Wisconsin. Everybody's jumping in on this one. Oregon. What are you guys doing? Why? Why just 18.5? Golly. You guys nuts? The value on this thing used right now is about 45 to 50. You got to replace that tower. Florida. You guys. Wow. Is that glass damaged? No, that one's fine. See, guys, this is nuts. This is not okay. It's literally going to cost more money to get this thing up and running than you just go buy it used. This is ridiculous. How do I... This is nuts. I paid $22 for mine, and mine's a 2014 with the NSS system. Ouch. As I'm sitting here editing this video, I decided to go online and look for a 2011 Nautique, and I found one in Naples, Florida on boats.com for $30,000, complete with trailer, tower, bimini, everything. Just go and pick it up. So when you see the final bid on this boat on Copart, it is absolutely insane. This is just a warning. Don't throw your money away. Don't be like this guy from Kentucky. Is this ever gonna stop? 22.8, 22.9, 23. Stop overpaying. It's cheaper just to go buy used. Trust me. Wow. There's a $45,000 boat without a trailer. Used. With no damage. 45, 50. And they're not stopping. Are we done? 24, Florida? 24-1. And it still says on reserve. It says estimated value here at 60, but that's embellished, definitely. For everybody saying that I spent too much on mine, look at this bid. This is obnoxious. $24.7. Oh, now I guess minimum bid was 25. All right, now it's a pure sale. That rack is $6 grand. 26,000. Yeah, not worth it. What's up, Kentucky? Decided to join the party? Wow. Wow, there's nothing else that I can say. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.